If you want to build a status page for free without paying for expensive solutions, I'll show you how to build one in UptimeRobot in under 3 minutes completely free. One thing you need before we start, you'll need a free UptimeRobot account. Sign up takes 30 seconds, no credit card needed. The free plan includes a free status page and 50 monitors. It's also free for commercial use. Another thing is that you'll need at least one monitor already set up because a status page displays your monitors. If you haven't created any yet, do that first. Ready? Let's create the status page. Step 1. Pick your monitors. From the dashboard, go to the status pages in the sidebar and click Create Status Page. You'll first pick which monitors to display. You can select them individually or add a whole monitor group. If you add a group, any new monitor you later add to that group will automatically appear on this page. No need to come back and update it. Pick your monitors and click Next. Step 2. Name your page. Give your status page a name, usually your company or project name. You can also upload your logo and pick a layout. A couple of quick notes. Show monitors under their groups. Turn this on if you want group names as headers above each section. Density Compact. Fits more monitors on screen. Most people pick this, especially if they want to glance at everything at once. Click Finish Create Status Page and your page is done. Step 3. Brand it. Want to make it match your brand? Open your status page and head to Appearance. You can add your company's logo and favicon as well as change the layout. If you made any changes, don't forget to save them. One way to see the status page is to navigate to the sidebar, Status Pages, and click to open the page. Your status page is live and ready to share. Use it for your business or a side project. Link it in your footer, help center, or support docs. So whenever someone wonders, is it down, they have one place to check. A quick note on features for advanced users. On paid plans, UptimeRobot users get from 3 to unlimited status pages, custom domains to host the page on your own domain, custom branding, change fonts, themes, and colors to match your brand, password protection, keep the page private and hide it from search engine, white labeling, and more. But everything we covered in this video stays free. Thanks for watching and happy monitoring!